How to fix error when you attach files in Gmail. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix error when you attach files in Gmail. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty and simple, so let's go. So one thing that you need to take note of is that you only have 25 megabytes of file that you can send on Gmail because they're limited. Another thing is to remove the extension of files with .exe because Gmail has actually doesn't allow it due to privacy reasons. So the next thing you can do is you can head over to your Gmail and then check out your storage usage. So from in there, click on settings and then settings of your account, and then you should be able to see here the storage that you have on your Gmail. But if you can see that on your Gmail right here, that means you can actually see it on your Google Drive. This is because Gmail or Google actually provide you with 15 gigabytes of storage, and if you already use all of those up, then that means that, as you can see right here, it's actually usefully been used. You won't be able to see Gmail functioning properly if your storage is full. So the next thing you can do is you can head over and long press Gmail and clear the app cache. Head over to the app info, click on storage usage, click on the clear cache, and also click on the clear data. Next thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store, search in here for Gmail, and then once you have done that, just head over and update it if there's an update available. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix error when you attach files on Gmail. If you have questions, comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks!